Bakit UP Tacloban and bakit Applied Math?
When you hear the word applied math, siguro iniisip nyo na, ay, mathematics lang yan, puro solving. Well, actually, sa program po namin, like, it's very diverse.
Kasi yung Applied Math dito sa Tacloban, talagang hinahasa ka na maging skilled sa iba't ibang bagay. So, ayun nga po, gaya ng kanina, hindi lang sa math talaga. Like programming, meron ka ng physics, social sciences.
The Applied Mathematics program aims to contribute to the capacity of Eastern Visayas in producing graduates who have the ability to apply mathematics and its methods to various fields such as biology, physics, computer science, economics. They're eager learners, they're motivated, and they're competitive.
Decreasing. Anong excellent?
Mahirap. Hindi ko isa-sugarcoat yun kasi mahirap talaga. So, kailangan talaga ng matindi. Kailangan mo talaga mag-exert ng effort. Pag hindi gagana yung mga ginagawa ng high school na mag-review ka 2 nights before the exam.
Parang nagsastruggle din naman sila, pero nakakaya pa rin naman. Mag-grow daw po ako sa UP Tacloban not only because sa mga lessons, but also because sa mga people na mamimit ko dito and sa mga may experience ko dito.
Push mo yung semi-column, push mo yung semi-column.
Dayon ka mo!
Dayon ka mo?
Dayon ka mo, ha-applied mathematics.